the Maharic Seal and Liquid Light Cleanse. This is an illustrated guide to the process of activating the Maharic Seal and Liquid Light Cleanse. This is a slightly varied process from the 12D Diamond Pillar that we've previously shared. This is a powerful process to do consistently, and the more consistent you are with it, the longer we can hold the charge in and around our field. Begin by imagining or knowing that a white six-pointed star known as a Hierophant, or a Star of David, is brought through the third eye and into the brain. Shift this white star to the left-hand side of your awareness. Then imagine and know that a dark silver six-pointed star is brought into the third eye. Move the white star and overlay it with the dark silver star, which will convert this to a platinum, light silver colored star. On an exhale breath, intend to move this combined star downwards through the spinal column, passing through the energy centers, and move it all the way into the 13th primary energy center located at the center of the Earth. Pause this star at the Earth core and begin to consciously breathe into this location. Imagine or know that the white star and dark silver star begin to spin counter to each other and also spin collectively in a counterclockwise direction. As these stars spin, eventually a pale silver or platinum sphere will manifest from the vortex and create a Merkaba sphere around the stars. Take some slow, conscious breaths, breathing into this location at the Earth core. The spinning sphere will increase charge, and a large platinum disk will pop out and manifest horizontally through the Earth plane. This is the location of the planetary Maharic Shield. On an inhale breath, bring this Merkaba sphere containing the stars from the Earth core and move it to the 12th primary energy center located about 6 inches below the feet. The sphere will have a tethered 6-inch diameter pale silver cord from the Earth core and connect it to the 12th energy center. Intend to breathe platinum light from the Earth core up through the silver cord and into this 12th energy center. This will manifest a small disk at the 12th center. On an inhale breath, move the Merkaba sphere and cord from the 12th energy center and move it up through the Hara line through the center of the field and stop at about 36 inches above the head at the 14th primary energy center. Pause and breathe the platinum light from the Earth core up through the cord, moving this cleansing light through the body and into the 14th center. Feel this current move through your body and charge up your field. On an outward breath, move the Merkaba star from the 14th primary energy center and move it 6 inches below the 12th chakra, so about 12 inches below the feet, leaving the silver tethered cord to the 14th energy center. The area about 12 inches below the feet is the location of our Maharic Shield. Consciously breathe platinum light from the Earth core and upwards from the planet. This will charge the Maharic Shield and begin to spin the Merkaba star faster and faster. When the shield receives enough charge, the Maharic Shield will essentially pop out and manifest a disk of platinum light 3 meters in diameter, 12 inches below the feet. Continue consciously breathing, visualizing and knowing that you're bringing the platinum light from the Earth Shield upwards to the spinning platform. When the Maharic Shield has received its energy holding capacity, it will take on a life of its own and manifest a cylinder of diamond platinum light oscillating and permeating around the body. Take some time at this location, breathing, visualizing, and knowing that this refreshing and cleansing light saturates every cell. Your field is now sealed with the Maharic Shield. After some conscious breathing, bring your attention to the Earth core and imagine and know that a silver spark of light manifests from the Earth core and move it upwards through the cord and into the 4th primary energy center at the heart. This will help to bring charge through the personal 12-sphere Cathar grid paths and points. It's recommended to spend some time in this space and breathe intention into the field and the personal Cathar grid. When the Cathar grid has reached its capacity, the 12th chakra will contract, returning the silver cord to its dormant state. Initially, this process will charge your field for about 1 to 3 hours. Consistent use of this Maharic Seal and Liquid Light Cleanse over numerous months will sustain it in the field for about 12 to 14 hours.